Good afternoon on this fantastic Saturday. I'm coming to you live talking about some financial empowerment. Fair warning is the cost of the promotion of the procrastination of is huge. Okay? A lot of costs that we talk about and we procrastinate and we say it's huge to our pockets. Every morning just before you go and leave your house and go to work. Okay, for now until that day, you see this $20, you're taking this money and you're throwing it out of the window because you haven't started your home-based business. You just take that $20 bill and throw it out the window and watch it blow away, because this is the money that you spend on a day-to-day basis that you blow away every morning. And you can take this $20 today and start your home-based business, okay? Every single day, yes, you take $20 and you're overpaying taxes. Yes, you're overpaying taxes. It's a proven fact that taxes are bleeding us dry. And you can control the bleeding by starting a home-based business, and you have a new tax refund. You'll begin by you opening up your business, and the sooner you begin, you'll start getting the tax benefits. That's right, the tax benefits. This cell phone that I'm speaking to you live on this video is a tax write-off. The things that I'm sharing with you on this video is going to be a tax write-off, because we know now that that's not the question. But $400 a month, if you count $20 a day, is enough money for you to cover the cost to run a home-based business. That's right. And for nearly anyone that you share this information with, you can run your business, use the devices in your communication as your cell phone, your internet, your utility bills, the lights that's in your home or apartment, because you're inviting people over and you talk about different business building, business presentations, and the business meetings. So as you come in and be an associate, you will learn and the company educates you on the tax benefits. I'm not a tax advisor, I'm a tax educator. And all of the tax benefits that you have are legally, morally, and ethically that you can write it off. Your internet, the miles you drive in your car, to, back, and from work and to the meetings. When you take a trip with your family to go to a business event, that's a write-off. So these are the few things. We have a cashback mall that you can shop online. And when you shop on the cashback mall, everyone, you get a commission of your money. Isn't that great? That's fantastic. So, we are talking about how easy it is. Yes, you get the tax benefits alone, and you buy legally by you using the tools and the strategy and the cash flow manager. You will record all of your write-offs and keep your receipts, because you have to record them. And that's tracking your costs on a day-to-day basis. And at the end of the year, you sit down with your tax preparer. Once you come in, you have to come in, start your home-based business, change that W-4 tax withholding. Because guess what? Don't take my word. I'm going to give you some information. The Internal Revenue Service. Internal Revenue Service, the I.R.S.gov. It talks about on page the big refund, the tax bill. And you can go to the notifications 505, and they haven't even updated the form. But this is what it says. The federal government tax refunds to individuals, okay, who bring home on their tax more than $215 billion last year, okay? More than 10 million taxpayers are getting a refund. Okay, that's 80% of Americans. And that's why we talk about in our videos that 80% of Americans have their tax withholding form filled out incorrectly. Now, the average tax refund, this is on the Internal Revenue Service, I.R.S.gov. The average refund is about $2,126, everyone. But when you have a home-based business, you get the tax benefits, not the tax refund, because you're recording all of your information, you're keeping good records, you're having your business presentation, you're sharing this information with other people, and by you going to and from your mileage, your cell phone, your internet service, each month you can write these things off. And that's the benefit of having a home-based business. By you tracking your information gives you more money as a business owner than the employee. Yes. Now, where does this refund come from? It comes from the wallet and the pockets and purse. And that's coming from the employer, how much to withhold from your paycheck. Or if you made an estimate tax payment for the average refund above $40 a week too much. Okay, I said it, people. $40 a week too much. So that $20 that the government is taking $40, and that's tax. We are throwing money every day out of the wallets of Americans every day. We know that 80% of Americans have this tax withholding form filled out incorrectly. That's right. And some people don't even read it properly. This is the tax withholding form. And that's why we have the Employees Withholding Allowance Certificate. And by you having a home-based business, you can correct it and you can get an extra $200, $400, $800 in your household. Now, the two objectives, I'm going to do a 369 financial transformation. That's going to be two objectives: our current lifestyle, which is our labor, which we work hard, we work in our current years, and when we want to retire, we bring home 40% of 40 years of working, 40% of our pay, and 40 years we are taxed in the current labor, the labor that we do. So that's our retirement years. So we want to have enough money, hopefully, we think, that when we have our current lifestyle, which is our labor, we have more money. But guess what? We have another objective, which is your future lifestyle, and that is investments. Investment is your golden years when you retire, that you put your money in some type of money marketing, mutual fund, okay, 401k, and you put this money aside to invest. So Social Security and the government, which the pension stepped in corporate America, they no longer work for us. We have challenges, okay? 4 challenges that we have to meet every day. We face it every day of our lives. And that first challenge is inflation. Inflation is the silent killer, okay? That takes 1/3 of our income right off the top. Then the second thing that takes 1/3 of our income off the top is taxes. We have taxes that we have to pay: our sales tax on clothing, our income tax, our Avalon tax, our home and house tax, and our state tax. So that's another 1/3 that takes it right off the top. Then we have debt. Debt takes the second 1/3 of our income right off the top that we have, that we charge. We took a loan. We have, some people have student loans, car loan payments, credit card debt. Okay, but we have a solution. But then somebody tried to step in, and that's big business. Big business takes the final 1/3 of our income. You know, they take it off the top, because big business, they put the bells and the chimes in the stores, they decorate, they put the music. So you can go in each month and buy. And this is what everyday people today do. We have to take care of our children. We have to take care of our household. And what we bring in our household is very important. So now, right now, we're in the month of July. A lot of us just finished celebrating the 4th of July, Independence Day. So that's a holiday. Then we have August. We have back to school, everyone. Back to school. Then we have Labor Day, September. That's another holiday. October is one of the biggest holidays that we have big business come in and open up stores just for this month, October. Halloween. They open up the stores, they get the costumes, the candy. So this is one of the biggest holidays because they can set up and it's a holiday. It's the children, it's the costumes, it's the candy, and they make billions of dollars just in that 1 month. November, we have Brown Thursday. Before you even before you even celebrate Thanksgiving, we got Brown Thursday, Black Friday, Thanksgiving Day. They want you to come in the store, get the bargain, get the biggest TV, get all the appliances, and this is how they get you in the store. Okay? Then we have December. It's Christmas. They celebrate Christmas. You know, you have people that's birthday. Then we have New Year's. Then we have February. Okay? February is Valentine's Day, and that's for his and her lovers. A lot of people celebrate Valentine's Day. Now, then we have March. March is St. Patrick's Day. April, Easter. May, Mother's Day. You know we're going to get a gift for mothers. Then we have June, Father's Day. And then we have July. We're right back into the fall of the holiday. So now we have a solution. The solution is the W-2. In 3 days, we can help your cash flow go up. And that's cash flow management. You know, you work, you're taxed, and then you tax less because instead of you being taxed more, you'll be taxed 28 to 33% because you have a home-based business. Okay? And then the IRS revisits. When we revisit this form, we are minimizing our taxes, we're minimizing our debt, and we're minimizing our expenses. Okay? So that's great. We'll be taxed less. That's when you change that W-2, W-4 form, and in 3 days, that will give you extra cash. Then we're going to take that cash, and if you're a 1099 with the W-4, 6 weeks, we call that cash asset cash. Okay? Your money that you invest by coming into the business, becoming an associate, that money could be a write-off, okay? And your $34.95 a month to get your membership, your website, and everything running. This what gives you all the tax benefits. And then by you doing that cash asset cash, you're taxed 18%, like I said, and it's less. That's the great thing. When you change and you know about your finances, okay, you get money back. So you're taxed 23% instead of you being the employer, and you're taxed higher. So having a home-based business, you're taxed less. Then you have investments. You have business work, business spend, business tax. And by having investments, that brings your taxes down even lower. So that $34 a month, that's a lifetime. As long as you're in the business and you have a home-based business, a month, that will be an investment, and you can write that off. That's when you start writing off your lifestyle, because you're writing off your everyday bills, your cell phone, your internet, your mileage you drive to and from. Okay, when you go on vacation with your family, that's a tax benefit because you're a business owner. Okay, and this lifestyle is a tax deduction. Because like I said, by you starting and having a home-based business, you now have the lifestyle of being a business owner, and you get the tax benefits, not the tax refund. So you get earnings each month. And last but not least, investor. We call this in 9 months cash. You will be an investor. You will be able to invest. We don't tell you what to invest in. We educate you that you can know what a stock is, a bond, a mutual fund, an IRA, okay? And then you'll be looking to investments that you and your family, that you can sit down and start investing. That creates more cash asset for you and your family. So now, you will be taxed as a business owner, everyone, 15%. Awesome. 15%. But if you was you're a business owner, that's the tax. But if you're an employer, you're going to pay higher taxes. So this video I share with you today, that by you having a home-based business, by you doing the 3-6-9 financial transformation, by following the tools and the strategies, guess what, everyone? You will gain capitals. It will be money working for you, not you working for your money. You'll have dividends. And that money, every quarter of that money will be piling and gathering. You will earn more money, and that will be given back to yourself. And you will invest, and that's money working for you. Investments is the smart way. We have to teach our children, we have to teach ourselves on better financial empowerment. So I'm coming to you live with this little video I did on financial empowerment. And P.S., we have the beautiful book, My ECON. This is the company, everyone. My ECON, the personal financial success company. It gives you the blueprint. It gives you all the information. It's a wonderful blueprint on how you follow, and you can have a section and see, and it gives you all the information. And it tells you, and you read and you educate yourself. So I'm excited to say, yes, I have my manual. I have my team. I sit and work with them. We talk. And if you're ready, I'm ready. I'm excited to help 100 families, 100 individuals on getting their personal finances in order. Yes, I said it, finance. Get your finances in order. Because when you know better, you do better. I'm Gwendolyn Dotson. I'm coming to you live on this Saturday. And remember, let's get our business started. Also, we have credit repair restoration, and we have different avenues that you can use this as a vehicle, as a business owner, to start a business. You deserve it. You deserve to know the tax benefits, not the government taking $40 more each month out of your wallet, out of your purse. So contact me. My number is 678-887-5965. And I'm with the team, Power Builders, Unify and Conquer. And I'm with the team, G.M.G, getting your finances on the right side of capitalism. Let me tell you the website. The website is www.howtoshiftyourincome.com. And remember, wealth is not a secret anymore. Once you educate yourself, you can be on the better side, the other side of capitalism. Have a great day on purpose.